In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract animation in 5 minutes. I'll hide the meshes, and show you how they were made from the beginning. Let's press Shift-A to create a mesh circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. We need the skin modifier. To create a twist animation, we need the simple deform modifier. We need a 100 frame animation. Let's set the frame 1 and 100's twist angle to -800. To set a new keyframe, go to frame 1, change the angle to -800, and type I as in India while hovering the cursor over -800. Do the same for frame 100, and set the angle to 800 for frame 50. The animation is working perfectly. We can also customize the animation by adding an empty object and linking to the simple deform modifier like this. We can animate the empty object to change the overall shape of the mesh circle's animation. The position of the empty object and the camera can also be animated, in order to create a great-looking abstract animation. Let's see how the material was created. Here are the full nodes. For the background light, I have used a random HDRI image with the Easy HDRI add-on. Please use any HDRI images available. We need to set the sky strength to at least 2, so that we'll get strong light reflections. Any HDRI images will be okay to use. I have placed a scaled UV sphere in the middle to make the animation more interesting. I have used the emission shader with reddish-orange in color, with its strength set to 555. Please remember to use Eevee with the bloom setting turned on. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.